This is the last video in the Chicago 18th edition update series, and it's perhaps the most relevant to the everyday writer. We're talking about pronouns. We are talking about they, them, their, etc. We started this video series by talking about why do we have these updates, revisions, new additions to these reference texts and these style guides. And one of the big reasons we named was because those texts need to catch up with the way that we speak and the way that we write informally for formal writing. And one of the ways that formal writing has really lagged behind spoken language and informal written language is with respect to pronouns and how we use them. Now, the 17th edition of the Chicago Manual already covered the use of they, them pronouns for those who are gender non-binary. So that's not what we're talking about here. What we're talking about is now it is acceptable in formal writing to use they, them, their when the gender of a person is unimportant, unknown, or needs to be concealed for privacy reasons. So, for example, whoever left their wallet here really ought to come back and pick it up. That's already how we talk. And the Chicago Manual is updating to match how we speak because it just makes sense. We don't have in English a gender neutral way to refer to people. As far as pronouns are concerned, what we typically have to do is either throw in an awkward he or she, his or her, or go to the extra formal, kind of awkward and uncomfortable. One has to come pick up their wallet, that sort of thing. And we want to avoid that and just match the way that we talk and allow that in formal writing. I really like this change, and I think it's going to make our formal writing a lot easier and a lot more accessible. If you need help with your writing, your grammar, your punctuation, your citations, your logical flow, anything having to do with writing, give us a shout at vandunkedits.com. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Go check out our other social media platforms. And as always, have a great day and have fun writing.